Hi, Tubies. Hi, how y'all doing? I am sitting here having me a bowl of chili, beans, not chili, beans, potatoes, mashed potatoes, and chicken. Never, never did I say I bought the chicken and the mashed potato from Chili's. No, I cooked it myself. Woo. But anywho, I just want to come in here and just talk. I am sitting here looking at the news concerning um these kids, the immigrant, you know what I'm saying? These kids being mistreated, and Trump don't give a damn. Trump don't give a damn what's going on with those children, cause he's okay, his son is okay, his daughter's okay. You know, he don't give a damn. You know, a couple, one or two babies died. I think like two. Hospital sinkhole open in Orange County. Oh man! And our civil rights people, they say they're not gonna leave until they see these girls face to face, and they say that they are right. But I'm assuming if they say they're not okay, what's gonna be the next step? What they're gonna do? And they also said that if the people don't let them in the facility, they're gonna prosecute them. They're gonna prosecute them to go to court. My plate catching it all. Not missing a beat. So yeah, they're gonna prosecute the people that's there. So I'm hoping that all the kids are being okay. I pray for them. I pray that they okay. I hope nothing's wrong with them. Oh, they okay. So you guys need to pray as well. I am starving. I am straight starving. I had cornflakes this morning, and that's gone. It's 2 something. This will hold me. Manatee County School testing new technology on school bus. All they doing is something new on the bus. Anything for the children. Anything for the children. Make them safe. Mm. Oh, listen at that. Oh. It's security for the kids. They get an ID and have to scan it. They scan it on the bus. That makes sense. They put a box inside of the school bus. So when the kids get on the bus, they just scan their card, and it'll say their name, I guess, and it'll say, let them know that they on the bus. Then they gotta scan it before they get off the bus. But who's keeping up with all this? supposed to start this August. Who's going to be checking? Making sure that these kids getting on and off the bus, off each bus, because there's going to be more than one bus. You're going to have about 20 some buses out there, so who's going to be checking to see if these babies getting off the bus or not, or if they're getting on? They're going to hire someone to do just that job. They're going to have to. How am I going to know whether or not you check to see whether the child got on the bus or not? I know it's going to scan, but still, how you going to know? You know? Oh, did y'all see? For those who don't live in Florida, the lady killed her daughter and her boyfriend or her husband. I don't know which one it was. I caught the end of it. But they trying to get up a manslaughter. Trying to make sure she do some time. Life. Oh, life. What make you want to kill that baby? Look at this. Made a mess anyway. Oh, and it goes to deposit a check. You know how you take pictures with your phone and it goes to your account in case you lose it and someone try to cash it. You know, so that protects me. If a lot of you don't understand what I'm saying, when you get your paycheck and you don't cash it right then, and I don't know if all banks provide that, but Bank of America does. You take a picture of your check. Hold on. You take a picture of the front of your check, and you take a picture of the back of your check. It goes to your phone, straight to the bank. So if you lose it and somebody try to cash it, it's already deposited to your account, so they can't cash it. How clever is that? So you might want to ask your bank about that. Until you can get another check. If somebody try to cash it, it's already been in the bank through you with your information. And somebody gonna be in trouble. Look at my cover. I ordered off Amazon. Why is it when we eat, we get sleepy? Why? Okay. Let me sit this on the floor to be taken downstairs. And let me show you. Ladies, when you see this bag, you already know what time it is. You've been to the hair supply. And I just bought this little cap. What's a little cap? It was $1.99. One size fits all. Slip free, ultra stretch, light. Then I went Same thing. I bought me some Cherry Blossom 100% human hair, black, one pair eyelashes. And I'm gonna put these on. I'm not gonna put them on while I'm on the camera because I might mess up. And I don't want y'all to be like, she don't know how to put them on, because hell no, I'm not good at putting them on. I'm learning. When I feel the need to want to put them on, I will put them on. So these here I may be putting on at night. But they had some other kind. These was $2. They had the other kind that was $10. So I go back and grab those. Probably in the winter time. For $10, that's gas. With the gas price going up, and I like to eat, so that $10 I can go and eat these $2. That'll just get me nothing. A hamburger. $2 some change. These $2 get me a hamburger. But $10, I can go to the store and get me some bread and hot dogs and a can of chili. No, baby, I don't have money to spend like that. It was a wig that I liked it, because this I don't have for a long time, and I'm getting tired of it. I'm trying to get it to snap back. Anybody know how I can snap this thing back into curls? Let me know. Subscribe to my channel. Hit like, comment, and hit that notification bell, wherever it may be. Hit it. But I like this wig. I really do. Last time I wore it, I was with my mommy at my cousin's wedding. But it's pretty. I like it. Just help me out. Leave me something downstairs. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Comment. Give me some feedback. I need some subscribers. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Kings and queens and princes and princess. Subscribe to Queen B channel. I like this. See this straight. I want this to snap back. I want it to curl back. But anywho, I'm about to log off and try to put these on. I didn't want to be on here that long. Oh, something coming up on YouTube over here. Somebody just posted a blog. I don't know who it was. Somebody I may be subscribed to. I'm pretty sure. But thank you for coming and listening to me chit chat around the black table. Subscribe to this channel. Toyota Span press recall. They're doing a recall on electronic power system. They doing a recall. I don't have a Toyota. I have a Nissan, and I have a Kia. And the blue one is the Corvette. Oh, they suing Toyota. Let's subscribe to Queen B channel. Help me out. Help me out. I keep this. I keep that. I like this color lipstick. I feel like plastic. Lately. Lately having their fireworks tonight. That's gonna be nice. Okay, my beautiful people. I'm about to log off. I'll come back later on tonight. I should have my lashes on then. I may do me some makeup. I don't know. I'm trying to decide. As I mentioned in my other video, I'm gonna say this. I was asleep. I didn't make my interview. But I did call another company and she told me to come in today and get my package and fill out all my information so they can get me in the system so I can start working. So I told them I'm not going to come that far today. This needs curl back. How can I curl this back? I told her I'm not going to come today because it's too far to drive right at the moment. So I'm not going to drive that far. Now, if it was morning, yeah, I would have. But it's in the afternoon, so I'm not going to drive. I'm not going to do it. So I'll wait till Friday. And I go pick up my package. And go get my TV test done. And everything else I have. Car insurance and my certificate and the other good stuff, which she sent me an email, which I'm going to check. Oh, they talking about a thunderstorm. Oh, this stuff. Help me, y'all. Help me, ladies. It's dry on the end. What I need to do? You can tell sitting in hair. It tangles up. I got so many synthetic wigs. It don't make sense. They are dry. I'm at 16 minutes. I do that because my phone get blurry. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm getting out of here. I'm about to go. Just look. Hold on. Okay, I'm back with another wig. Cause that wig was just too synthetic and too nappy. So how y'all like this one? How you like it? Okay, I'm about to go. It's hot. It's 100 and some degrees outside. And it's cool when you walk in the house, but when you get in here and you sit for so long, it's hard. So with that being said, I'll be back tonight with another video around the black table. Y'all have a good one. Bye. See you later. Have a good day. Oh. I was gonna say Happy 4th of July, but I guess I'll do another blog tomorrow, and I'll say Happy 4th of July. But until then, be blessed.